It's all about humanity.
Alright YouTube, so welcome back again. So the technoboy, and today I'm back with the Sony 4.1 home theater SA-D40 model, and I'm trying to fix the subwoofer controller. And you've seen before that I've tried with the potentiometer. That worked well, but that didn't last long. So I have came up with another idea using resistance and the switch. So that's the subwoofer positive wire. These two are, one came from the circuit board and another one came from the subwoofer driver. So they are connected parallelly with the three switches you can see, and one is like direct. So if I turn this switch on, this both wire are gonna connect together, I mean short together, and you're gonna get the full bass from the subwoofer. And another switch, there is one resistance you can see, so that's a 470 ohms resistance. And so when you turn this switch on, these wires get short, but there would be a resistance between them of 470 ohms. So the bass come from the subwoofer will be much lesser. The level of the bass will be much lesser than the normal. So that's the one switch, and another here, the third one. This is a 230 ohms or something like that resistance, and lesser than that resistance. So if you turn this switch on, you'll be hearing little more bass than that switch, and this switch will give you the full bass. So this is going to work like low bass, medium bass, and the high, the full bass. So right now, because of lockdown, all the shops are closed, so I didn't get resistance as I needed, and I just found these two lower value resistance in my stockpile, and other resistance are like what to say, more than 1k, like that. Those are not going to work because it's like almost no bass. This is going to give you very low bass, and then after that it's going to give you a little more bass, and that's the full bass. But if you want, you can use laser value resistance like 100 ohms and 150 ohms, up to 200 ohms, like that. So you can set that thing up just like this. Just remember the connections, the same thing just like before. These wires need to be short to make the subwoofer work, and that's it. Just need to parallelly connect all the wires to the switches. You can use one more switch if you want with another valued resistance. So just remember that it would be great if you use 100 ohms to 200 ohms, because more than that gonna give you very laser bass. So that's it. And now let me turn this on and gonna give you a demo of the switches. Now you can see all are turned off. That too, this one too. So this thing is on, you can see Bluetooth mode is on, and I'm gonna play the Humanity song that's gonna give the huge bass.
It's all about humanity.
Now you can hear no bass, so the channels only. Now let me turn this low bass on.
It's all about humanity.
very low bass. Now this is the medium bass. You turn this on.
It's all about humanity.
So now let's turn this off. Now no bass.
It's all about humanity.
And now this is the full bass. You see, you can hear the bass would be huge. So that's it. That's the simple connection. All you need is just these are called tic-tac switch, small ones, and the resistance. These are going to work for me because I'm going to connect this to my TV, so there I don't need much bass, but I need a little bit of bass. That's why these are going to work. But for you, if you want to use but if you want to get a little more bass than this, then you need to use the lower valued resistance, as I told you, from 100 ohms to 200 ohms. Use that, and that would work very good. So that's it. That's all for today. Hope you guys gonna like the video. If you have any question about this, you can ask me in the comments below, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.